In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Webflow drop-down menu, easiest way. 2026 guide, CC. We'll keep this fast and beginner-friendly, focusing on the exact clicks you need to get a smooth, reliable drop-down. By the end, you'll know where to find the drop-down controls and how to fine-tune its behavior so users don't get frustrated when navigating. Start by opening your project in the Webflow Designer and loading the page that contains your navigation. Give the canvas a second to render all elements. If you already have a nav bar on the page, that's perfect. Most people place drop-downs inside the main nav so everything stays consistent site-wide. Now click the highlighted nav bar or menu wrapper on the canvas. Grabbing the parent container first helps keep your bearings and make sure any changes you preview are happening in the right context. Quick tip, if you ever notice a drop-down being clipped, check the parent's overflow setting. It typically needs to be visible so the menu can extend beyond its wrapper without getting cut off. Next, click the highlighted drop-down element inside that navigation. You'll recognize it by the toggle button with a small caret and a hidden list that appears when opened. The component is made up of two main parts, the drop-down toggle, which users click, and the drop-down list, which holds your links. If you're starting from scratch on another page, Webflow includes a built-in drop-down in the Add panel, but for this walkthrough, it's already on the canvas so we can focus on setup. With the drop-down selected, click the highlighted gear icon to open the Element Settings panel on the right. This is where you'll control how the menu behaves. While you're here, it's helpful to preview the open state. Click the setting to open the menu so you can see the list in context and confirm spacing, alignment, and positioning without switching in and out of preview mode. Finally, click Close Delay. This small setting makes a big difference. Close Delay tells Webflow how long to wait before collapsing the menu after the cursor leaves the drop-down area. A short delay, around 150 to 250 milliseconds, keeps the interface snappy. A slightly longer delay, around 300 to 400 milliseconds, is more forgiving and prevents accidental closes as users move from the toggle to the links. Pick the value that matches your design's pacing and your audience's needs. You can test by moving your mouse off the menu and noticing how natural it feels. That's it. Open your project, select the nav wrapper, select the dropdown, open settings, preview the menu, and dial in close delay for smooth, confident navigation. When you're happy, publish and check it live to confirm everything feels seamless.